Budgeting doesn't work for most people. Not because they're bad with money, but because budgets are broken. If you've ever followed a budget and still felt stressed, guilty, or broke, this video is for you. Today, I'll show why budgeting is failing you and a better way to manage money that actually fits real life. Traditional budgeting sounds simple. Track every dollar, stick to the plan, save what's left. But here's what really happens. You create a perfect budget. Then life happens. Your phone breaks. A friend invites you out. Prices go up. Income changes. Suddenly, one mistake ruins the whole plan. You feel behind. Then you quit. That's not a discipline problem. That's a system problem. Most budgets fail because they are too strict. They assume perfect self-control. They ignore emotions. Money decisions are emotional. Any system that ignores this will fail, even if the math is right. So instead of forcing yourself to be perfect, let's fix the system. Forget 20 categories. Use 3 flexible buckets: needs, wants, growth. Example with $1,200 income. Needs $700. Wants $300. Growth $200. If something unexpected happens, you adjust inside the system, not abandon it. This keeps you consistent, not perfect. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is not. Automatically save on payday. Auto-pay your bills. Separate spending money for fun. Then check your money just twice a week for 10 minutes. That's enough to stay in control without stress. Saving without a reason feels painful. Saving with a purpose feels safe. Instead of save $200, say, save $200 to reach a $1,000 emergency fund. Add simple rules. If it costs over $30, wait 48 hours. If something unexpected happens, reduce wants first. These rules stop emotional spending before it starts. Here's a simple setup. Write your real income. List fixed expenses. Split the rest. Wants 30 to 35%. Growth 15 to 25%. Automate savings. Create one spending rule. Review once a week. That's it. Income changes? Use percentages. Impulse spending? Use waiting rules. Failed before? Reset. No shame. Budgeting is not a test. It's a tool. Budgets fail when they're rigid. Flexible systems win. Buckets. Automation. Purpose. If this video helped, hit like so more people see it. Subscribe for simple money psychology videos. And comment, what's your biggest money struggle right now?